Shock is your go-to solution for a sparkling pool. Heat, algae, rain, and large bather loads dissipate your water's chlorine level. With Shock, your stabilized chlorine gets a boost so that your water stays crystal clear. For chlorine to reach its maximum effect, your pH and alkalinity should be balanced. Regular testing is key, and if you need adjustments, our Water Trends balancers can help. You can broadcast Shock over your pool or premix the powder to create a solution. This prevents chlorine particles from settling and discoloring your pool liner. Use 1 pound of Shock per 10,000 gallons. Each bag contains 1 pound, so measuring the quantity based on pool size is easy. To pre-dissolve Shock, simply mix the contents in a bucket of warm water and then pour into the pool in front of the return jet with the filtration system on and with the water circulating to evenly distribute. For best results, apply Shock in the late afternoon or evening. Keep in mind that the ideal chlorine range may take up to 2 to 4 hours, depending on your pool size, to reach maximum potency. Allow the filter to circulate overnight after applying Shock. The next day, test your water. It is safe to re-enter the pool when the chlorine reading is under 3 parts per million. Shocking your pool should be a part of your weekly maintenance to ensure clear, safe water. You may need to apply an additional dose of Shock after stormy weather, extreme heat, or heavy pool usage. Always make sure that your filtration system is running at least 8 to 10 hours a day, especially during heat waves, to circulate water and chemicals properly. If you have any questions about shocking your pool water, feel free to contact your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.